2019 Ford Escape had a windshield washer not working. It was dribbling out of this connector right here. This was disconnected from here. Pretty sure that black piece is a retainer. Someone had done a windshield on this, so I don't know if they took the hood off or what, but this was disconnected, so I just snapped it back into place. If you wanted to disconnect this for some reason, I'm sure you can take this black clip and spread it apart. Sorry, take the black clip and spread it apart. Just snapped into place nice. It's got 3 sprays. All right, down here, 3 sprayers. Here's the retainer clips. They actually squeeze together. You can get in there and squeeze together. That should help pull them out. That's really all I got for this video, was for getting to the windshield washer spray hose and those little connectors. So just squeeze them together. Should pull out fairly easy, and that should help you get to your windshield washer connectors in case you have a leak under the hood there. Good luck to you.